How to fix Xfinity box error RDK-03003. So this error pretty much means your Xfinity X1 TV box is unable to establish a proper connection to the Xfinity network. So this is usually caused by weak or interrupted signals on the coax cable line. So loose connections or faulty splitters or even a temporary service outage. So there's a few things we have listed over here that you can try. So these are the most common ones you can do. Maybe you've already done these, but we've already listed just in case anyways. So first of all, you can try tightening and inspecting the coax cable. Make sure the coaxial cable is securely tightened to both the TV box and the wall outlet. Remove and reconnect it firmly. Check for bent center pins or damaged cable ends. And if you're using a splitter, try removing it and connecting directly to the wall. If you see any difference, then that is probably the problem. Another option is to restart the TV box. So unplug the TV box from power, you can wait for a minute, and then plug it back in and allow it to fully reboot. So this though can take a few minutes, but you can go ahead and try it eventually. You can also restart your modem gateway, which is basically the same as restarting the TV box. Next is to check for outages. You can open the Xfinity app or log into your account online, or you can check in their websites to see if there is an outage. So look for any reported service outages in your area or in general. So if there is an outage, you'll need to wait for service to be restored. Finally, the two other options is to just contact Xfinity support or to send a refresh signal if this option is available for you. If it is found in the Xfinity app. You can go to the devices, TV box, and then troubleshoot. You can select restart device or refresh signal to resend activation signals to the box. But these are a few options you can try to potentially help you with your problem. So hopefully one of these can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.